Hello everyone, this is your host Sonar Günür. I'm just checking the sound settings and the resolution settings. Can give me a few minutes to look at. Champ, hello. Yes, we have now more than 1,000 followers. And you are still not a sub. I think this is the most important thing between you and me. You are subbing. What was the name of the channel? video oyun maybe, since you are creating some its emojis, but you're not sub to me. I mean, how is this fair? Yeah, you are standing V oyun. Yeah, video oyun. Exactly. You're a subscription of it, but you're not subscribed to me. I mean, how is this fair? Programmer, hello, welcome. Hello everyone. I'm just checking the sound settings and the last resolutions. Just give me a few minutes, check everything to see, at least in stream, see everything's okay. Okay, everything seems right so far, and my sound and music sounds and the resolution itself, which gave us from an HD resolution to 160 resolution, so you can watch which resolution you want, which depends on your internet connection. As you can see here, CodinGame Fall Challenge will be soon in 6 days. I mean, don't miss it, honestly. I will join and play all the days as a 11 days straight. I also stream also while I playing with it. It will be fun, I think, and this will be the first challenge for me at least, and please don't miss it. If you do some bot programming before, I will suggest you to register and play already. Rohit, welcome. Even if you play already, I will stream during all the fall challenge. I mean, since CodinGame sent the email for it, for example. Okay, so everything seems okay so far. Let's compete. Let's start tonight's first clash. Oh, let me check my custom command first. Is it working or not? Yeah. Okay. Where is Clash of God? Here. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and update it to chat, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat, get the current link. Nope, Remy this also works, which is posting the clash links to the chat also. That's nice. The Cube, hello, welcome. First time to see you, if I remember correctly. Dasanlek, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Endes, selamlar, hoş geldin, nasılsın? İyisindir umarım. Saki-san has also joined, that's nice. Okay, we are now 6 people and we waited more than 2 minutes, so let's launch the clash. Ray Start, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. How do I join? You can type exclamation mark link to the chat and get the current clash link. Okay, this is the reverse mode. That's an interesting question, honestly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10th. But why not A, B, C, D, E? Why not E, for example? What is the J of 106? Oh, this is not about ASCII. Then. Where can I see this question? You can type exclamation.link to the chat as Denevian already did. But honestly, I don't see any pattern here. What is the... So there are 2 numbers and 3 repeated. So A, B, C, D, E, F, D, E, F. So no, that's not the case. Let's start with how about G, which is Endes kesinlikle biraz şey biraz değişik gibi harbiden, ben de anlamadım yani, şu anda hala bakıyorum. How long you have been programming for? Almost 8.5 years. Yes, you have to create a CodinGame account, which probably you can do easily. It will take 30 seconds, since you can create it with your Facebook or Gmail account as well. But I really don't have no idea so far. But what about... No, that's not the case. I was looking for as the wrong way. For example, what's this 203 here with A and D, for example? A and D. No, what else? First, I thought the first number is the column number, but this breaks this rule. Hint? I don't have one. I have no idea what it is. Oh, funkies. Wow, that's nice. So we have to write every possible. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I can solve this one in 4 minutes. I don't think so. Hmm. No, I can't solve this one. But I can easily create some dictionary as a key value pair for the number number itself and the characters that generate with that number. For example, as a key for 2 and as a ABC as a their values or maybe a character array or maybe just a string. Then you have to but you still need to write every possible combination. Maybe it will be written in Python since it supports permutation package. Has some permutation package if I remember correctly. But I think it was a module 3 problem. It might be, but since it start with 2, not with 1 for the characters, it breaks that rule. Oh wow, I should understand with this one even. When I see 5 and JKL. But sometimes it's really hard to see this kind of questions. I mean, that's a really nice question, I think. But for some programming languages, I think it is still hard to generate in 15 minutes. For example, like doesn't have a built-in function like a combination. Yeah, I mean, I hope someone can solve this one and check his code. I mean, it's fun. Difficulty is not kind of hard. Maybe I will say hard. Cascade relevancy is ideal. Oh, the cube solved in JavaScript. That's nice. Dorsey and Sagi-san also solved with 25%. That's nice. That's very nice. Maybe the cube will, if he show his solution, maybe we can check his solution. I noticed it was a mod 3-ish, but couldn't figure out pattern exactly. For example, 9 has a 4 character, right? W, X, Y, Z. Should be, yeah. Seven and 9 both have 4. Okay, let's check. Mobile digit. I can write this digit. And telephone keypad. This should be might be right thing. I think you have to find a start while then convert to char somewhere. I built a dictionary but was struggling to figure out the best way to generate the string in time. Exactly. Yeah, okay, let's look at 1 there isn't, 2 A, B, C, D, E, F, and yeah, 7 is P, Q, R, S, and 9 is W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, the first thing that comes to my mind also generate some dictionary and keeping the digit and keeping all the characters that can represent with that digit. But I couldn't even figure it out for first or 6 minutes. What are the meaning of this? That's nice. Oh, the cube solved. Show his code. That's nice. So, okay. Oh, he generated array for. This is the. I think this is the 0, 1, which is the empty array. He generated keys, all the keys, and letter combinations. Let's look at him. As a result, generate an empty array. Nums map number. Count nums length -1. Okay. Oh, there's a combine. What this combine method do? If n is count for const char of keys nums n, press push current art car. Ashtar, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So if const char of keys nums n, okay. Combine m+1 and current plus car. What is m+1 here? Oh, it increased all the things maybe. This, for example, when it's a 3, and it will increase the next character. Okay, that seems nice. I'm not saying I understand completely, but I understand the pattern and I understand the logic easily. It's a very nice solution, by the way. Okay, that's nice. Let's create a new one. And let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and save it as a command. You can type !link to the chat. You get the current one. There are now 3 people we are. Wallaby, welcome. First time to see you, I think. Dark Shinobi, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, the Cube and Zorxy also joined. We are now 10 people and let's start it. Let's launch the clash. The shortest one. Take a board of R rows and C columns. Shoot a laser beam right forward from the top left corner. If protects of the mirrors, backslash and slash and backslash, and stop the target sharp. Print the cells that has laser beam test excluding the mirrors and the target. Two space separated R and C of the size of the board. Next line, the board's layout. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's a very nice question. Huh. Okay. Take the rows and Beans, hello, welcome. Endes yani şey olarak hani ön yüz olarak en çok herhalde Android ve yani Java ve herhalde Kotlin'dir diye pardon Kotlin değil de Swift'tir diye düşünüyorum şu anda iOS'un en çok kullanıldığı ön yüz olarak kullanıldığı diller. Yani dünya genelinde en çok onlar var aslında. So I should create a matrix here, for example. Call it M array and ours. Oops. Ours and var. J is 0, J less than C, J plus plus. So M I J is row J. I can delete these ones. I also delete this one. Huh. Display is, for example, what are these? Oh, if while the current one is not sharp, okay. Oops. All the test cases is a one line, right? Yeah. That will be more easy, I think. Okay. While MJ MI oops, let's start this array 0 and 0 while start point isn't equal to sharp. So I need to write every character for these. Okay. So if start isn't equal this one and isn't equal this one, so I have to write the current one. So console.write start and let's call var I draw me. Programmer Dog, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. But I need to know which direction do I going currently. Oh. Wait, is right, for example, bar true as a first of all, and if it is true, that means I can go where you want. Huh. How about turn, for example? Just I start to 1. One is right, 2 is down, 3 is left, and 4 is up. Let's call it like that. Emexi, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. No, but it starts with 0 and 0 here. I think this is the left. Yeah, left one is 0 and 0. So which way I am going right now? Turn it. Plus plus. Passive. Turn 2. 5 plus plus. If turn 3. I don't care if it is shorts or not. The best try to do is the solving at least, and if it is 3, k minus minus as k plus plus. No, that's not the case. I minus minus. How can I make a donation? You can donate with buy no game, for example. Let me paste to the chat. Yeah, you can donate with that link, but also you can donate. I mean, if you enjoy the stream, you can just subscribe it, or maybe gifting the other people as a subscription. So and then start is array ing. Oops. Oh, which is m. So if it is I get it start that one, for example, my is go down, so e minus minus, and the start is oh, that's okay. E minus in here I have to calculate start also before the writing it, because after you all the for example, if you have a normal slash or a backslash, if you hit the one of these characters, you have to go to the next character, which is how to reflex and write into the console for that character, for example. So what? E minus minus else if start this one, so that means oh, but still that doesn't, wow, that doesn't make sense. Still doesn't mean, for example, for this character you still have to know which way you are going. For example, you are going from up to down, or you are going left to the right. If it is coming from left to the right, you will go up, but if you are going up to the down, you will go from right to the left. Oh, that means my code blew up. I mean, it doesn't even work in that case. Wow, that is such a nice solution, man. Such a nice question, I think. Huh. Wow, that is such a nice question. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Both start solve with Python. Okay, let's submit it and check it out. Okay, let's wait 5 seconds, and I think that's a very fun question, but difficulty is little bit hard for me, at least. Test case and statements are ideal. Spent too long trying to make it small, didn't get it implemented. I was trying to use numpy for fancy slicing. Oh, okay. The clash is complete, so let's complete these ones also. Do we want storms route or just iterated through it? Ah, okay. Check. Oh, Saki-san also solved in Haskell. Solved in Python. Oh shit. Left, what are these? Maybe we can understand Haskell. I'd implement mine, I would have been more efficient to larger complex maps. Okay. Okay, let's try to look at the first form. Maybe we can just now. It should be solved using dynamic programming, right? Maybe I forgot about going left or up. Yeah, I mean, so this is for the sides, right? For up, down, left, or right, I think. I did an easy way. We didn't have time to left optimize or the char count. Get the current character. If the current character is that one, so now we have to map the but it still doesn't depend on where you're coming already from. For example, for this one, for this character, if you go up to down, you need to right to the left and your direction is changed. But if you come from left to the right, you need to go up. Or is this calculation, this calculation is for? V and W are the increment to the apply to X and Y coordinates in the grid each turn, so they gave the direction. Q is bigger than 0, else 0, 1. If W is 0, then -1, 0. If W bigger than 0, else 1, 0. Okay, I'm not sure, but I understand a little bit. But I mean, I tried my Haskell, try to understand, but no chance. Honestly, I have no idea how the syntax, his syntax works. One more, sure, we can pass the next one. Of course, I mean, just a new, we start the stream. Okay, let's back to home. First of all, let me update my commands. Let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. Just copy the link and update my command. You can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Elvis, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Wow, we are now 12 people. That's nice. Rares, Java, C, Python, Pascal. First time to see you. Welcome. Okay, the sun. Have a good meal. What's my level? Oh, it's level 8. Okay, that's simple. Please don't send any links to the chat. I mean, the bots are very aggressive about it. Okay, Asparagus is also joined. Let's launch Flash. What can you say? Race, Java, C, Python, Pascal again. There, here you go. I did. Did I say it wrong? I mean, giving integer and find the next integer and with the same number of ones. It's in binary expansions of n. Okay. Can I can use it. Files. Next integer. Maybe it's very easy. One, not equals. Plus plus. And right here. Good work. Let's play all these cases. Oops, and plus one. I hope it won't get a timeout. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I can submit it. Already a lot of people solved this one. Still the bin in Python ID string formatting. It's fun. I like this kind of questions. Difficulty is quite easy. Statements and test case relevancy is ideal. I mean, as far as I remember, you can easily create a binary representation in Python of a number. But there should be an easy way to do it. I mean, for example, yeah, I mean, it's of course shifting bits in will be better solution. But for example, if maybe check if all the one bits in one, you have to multiply by 2 that number, right? Okay, I have a few idea in how to solve it in a better way. For ghost string, formatting is better than bin, because with bin you still need to crop the first two. Oh, okay. Raise is 20%. Yeah, this is the brute force solution. Yeah, everyone did tried brute force solution, I think. I didn't understand either. Yep. Maybe we need to think it in whiteboard, for example. It will be really nice to do. Oops. Sorry about that. Let me create a whiteboard, for example. I have a few ideas to how to do it properly. D-boy is 20%, okay. Oh, okay. Let's think in a whiteboard, for example. People are still clashing, by the way. Programmer doc solved in 100%. Sinus solved in 100%. Sinus solved in C#. Yeah, that's the bit shifting. Okay, that's nice. Rohit solved this one, and 2 people still clashing. So this is the, for example, let's check. Let's back to whiteboard. So there is 2 possibilities, I think. For example, if the number itself contains only ones, for example, like this one, the closest number, next number, which is contains the same one, is adding as a 0, right? I think this is our first test case. Find the first less relevant bit that is equal 1 and change its location to the next less relevant bit that is equal 0. Exactly. For example, if there's a 0 in it, let's write it as a red, for example. There's a 0 in it, like this one, right? You have to find the least one and swap it within closest 0, right? So this should be 1, 1, 1, 1, and 0. Is there any other test cases, for example? I mean, I think this covers for all the test cases. All 0? No, it can't be all 0 because there is no other number that has 0, 1 as it is binary representation. That's cool, but for a golf, I doubt you could implement that using less characters than built-in functions. Or could you? Maybe. I don't know. I mean, I think that depends on a lot of things, and you have to maybe all these ones and zeros put to a char array, and I don't know. Maybe you can find the last index of 1 and the last index of 0 and swap those characters and write it as a decimal number. I mean, I'm not sure honestly. Maybe Ruby has a function for that. Yeah, probably. Yeah, puts, gets, just do it, exactly. Also, race is pronounced rarish. Okay. Yeah, Ruby is the zero of coding, exactly. Ruby solved my problems for me. Yeah. I mean, this is the old case, right? Do I missing any other test cases, for example? For this one, there shouldn't be any other test cases. If contains no 0, if contains at least 1 0. If it contains no 0, that means I have to just multiply by 2. For example, if it is 3, then there is 6, which is 1 1. Oh no, wait a second. Oh, this is 1 1. Yeah, like this. Yeah, it discovers all the test cases, I think. Okay, the clash is ending in 2 minutes. Pablo B is still clashing. Let's wait for him for the 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, I think. But as you can see, in a competitive or maybe when you try to some for example, this kind of clashing problems, and maybe the brute force is the better solution, I think. I thought the language is quite nice, but sadly not really used it anywhere but web. Yeah, I mean, Alice, for example, you probably already know Alice, and he always says the programmer friendly language as a Ruby. Liberec, where is it? Liberec, Czech Republic. Oh. We are now 10 seconds left. Okay, the clash is complete, and it's probably 0%. Let's back to home. First, I need to. Do you have a Discord server? Yeah, exclamation mark DC or exclamation mark Discord. There should be a command for it. Let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. I just copy the link. Save it as a command, so you can now type exclamation mark link to the chat. Yeah, rare start link is the correct one. Rare start, okay. Okay, we are now 10 people and let's launch the clash. The program must calculate some of the numbers that are placed on the edge of matrix. You are given matrix n by n. Some of the numbers that are placed on the edge of matrix. 6, 10, and 18. Okay. all test cases. Oops. Oopsie. What did I wrong? Yeah, dot sum exactly. Did I? What the hell is going on here? Öztiş, Jean, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Wait a second. Some of the edge numbers. Since it's all the digits here, for example for 9. Oh wait, there's separated with white space. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I should line full white space, line J full white space. So I need to call. And this should work, I think. Exactly. Oops. Oh, again this J and okay. No, this. No, this because since my my current character is 9, for example, as a character, but when I start with decrease as that one, it gives the calculation between their ASCII values and return as a 9, for example, as an integer. Oops, there are also, yeah, right. Oh, okay. I didn't look at these cases. Okay. Okay then, let's delete all of them. Dudak Tiryakisi, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Okay, so I didn't check the first test cases, of course. If I 0 or I is and minus 1. I need to total plus select. Total is erase so first and last line here. For other lines, else for other lines, I need only the calculate. I need only get the first and last elements, for example. Else total is full array first plus array last. This should work, I think. Let's play all test case again. Yes. That is nice. Is this fastest mode? Okay, that's nice. So I can submit it. Not yet. First and last should be 10, not 9. What does that mean? Should be 10, not 9. I somehow always expect the first test case matched with the example in the statement. Okay, this is fun. Difficulty is perfect statement and test case relevancy is ideal. I've been solved this one in 1 minute. That's nice. Most of the time it's true. In the statement, the first and last line will be evaluated to a different number. Mikey Bone, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Zorx is solving Ruby. Yeah, it's just mapping and get the first row and or the last row or the first column or the last column. And Nuis, Pakistan and Embratorx also solved. Programmer Doc, you can still check. Oh, you tried to solve in Lua. That's nice. What is dollar less in Ruby? I don't know. Dollar less. Maybe used by mapping, splitting to map and to integer. which is M. M might be generate somehow a multi-dimensional array, like reminds me of Bart Simpson website exactly. I mean, let's look at, for example, just Ruby. Maybe it will generate some results. What does dollar character mean in Ruby? Dollar is the global variable and looking for external files. Dino, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So like a string iterator or is what is this? Let's look. Oops, there is no. There's no such an explanation for it. Okay, Rares also solved, Talant also solved. Oh no, we can even. It's an operator, maybe. It's not an operator, maybe. I don't know. Ruby predefined variables. This Ruby syntax. Maybe we can find here. No, the dollar, the end of line or string. The regular expression. What? No, that's not the case. Global variables. The variable which name begins with character dollar has global scope and can be accessed from any location of program. Global variables are available as long as the program lives. Non-initialized global variance has value nil. Okay, let's check this link. Predefined variables. Why my internet is... Synonym for arc. What's arc? Yeah, it says synonym for arc. Google for Ruby predefined variable. Basically, it allows you to iterate over std. Arc is a stream designed for use in scripts that process files given as commands, line arguments, or passed in via std. With $less map, you can iterate over every new line in the input. Oh, okay. That's nice to know. That's nice. So the clash is complete and GDFG also solved. And that's nice. Good for shorts mode, yeah. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and update it to chat, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. All in Ruby next. And pray Alice doesn't came in, yeah. Mikey, welcome. First time to see you here. Matagai will be jealous of the avatar. Yeah, probably. I beat him once. Yeah, I beat Alice, if I remember correctly, 4 times. Yeah, I probably beat in Alice in 4 times, but probably it's the reverse mode. And most of them he will try to type very fast and completely submit some broken code, and he will get 0%. So that's the probably 2 times like that. But I mean, in a normal way, I don't see any way to for me at least to beat him. Okay, we are now 13 people. Let's launch the clash. You are given a number and a prime number p. You must tell the greatest power of p that divides by n factorial, where n factorial is a product of all possible integers less than n. For example, if n is 10 and p is 3, n factorial is this, and divides. Huh. Okay. Hmm. But wait a sec. Oh. Huh. Maybe I just need to count how many 5s there. Right? Isn't the right way of thinking? For example, from 1 to n, I have to count for all the digits that how that digit or that number how contains how many key. Let's try like that. Um, this equals 0. I while temp 0 temp white by e and e plus plus. After that, I write e itself. Let's play all test cases. That is perfect. So I need to make it short as possible, right? This is the shortest one. Okay. I delete all of them. This I need to delete this one, and oops. I called. Oh, not P. There's already P in here. X. I can delete this. This is probably the shortest way I can write. Maybe I forget some white space in check. No. No. No. Yeah, it doesn't. And I will write all of them same line. I know it will be very bad, but this is the shortest mod, every character counts. And yeah, let's play all test cases again. Okay, and this is the best in that comes to my mind, honestly, in C#, and I can submit it. I mean, with C#, I think this is the best any people can do, maybe. Okay, programmer knows in C++, which is to, but of course I am the first one here, but probably with ending when we close the end time, I will go down probably. It is fun. I like the question honestly. Difficulty is perfect, statement and test case relevancy is ideal, and I can submit it. Hints 0%. Oh, you can. You try to solve in Ruby. Huh. Maybe you accidentally submit it. Rohit 40% in C. Where is 40% also? That is so weird. I mean, I never finished as a first one while with C# in a shorts mode, probably. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Do you have a job? Yeah, I mean, I work for Akbank as a software developer. They have a mobile application called Access Mobile, which is a campaign-based application of the bank itself. And I am one of the backend developers in that team. Saki-san is also 40%. That's weird. A lot of people sold in 40%, maybe. I don't know. I think we can explain this one is in whiteboard also. I mean, I like this question. Factorial is becoming infinite. Well, actually, you don't need to calculate the factorial itself. I will just try to explain it in a whiteboard, for example. It has, I think, it has a very nice solution. Fokz is solved in Ruby also. Okay, the clash is complete right now. I am still second. I mean, that's so weird. C sharp and as a second in a shortest mode. I mean, that is so weird. Wow, I just completed as a second one. Okay. Let me explain it how I solved this one in whiteboard, for example. And I just tested the whiteboard. Okay. All forthcoming results are calling the actual factorial function. Yeah, I mean, it will not actually, you don't have to calculate the factorial of that number. For example, what are the inputs? My inputs are 10 or 5, right? So let's write all the factorial numbers that calculated by 10. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So for the calculated, for the factorial calculation, that how many 5s in these numbers? Actually, I have to find how many times 5s as a product as a 5 in these numbers. So let's check first. 1 as a 5 product? No. 2? No. 3 no. 4 no. 5 there is a 1 5 in here as a product. Sakat Zebra, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Could you decrease the back music a little bit? Okay. I decrease it right now. Thanks for teaching me how to count. Yeah. Okay. This is the first time found 5 in here as a product, right? 6, it is 2 times 3. It doesn't have a 5 as a, it can't be divisible by 5. 7 is no, 8 is no, 9 is no, 10. 10 is 2 times 5, and there is a 1 5 here, which is also 1. So as a sum of these, which is my result, will be 2. That means this product of all the numbers can be at most power of 2 by 5. Since it can be only divided by 5 power of 2. I mean, you can't say power 5 power of 3, right? Because there is no third 5 in the all the numbers in here. Is my explanation is clear? I think. I mean, this is the first thing that comes to my mind, and it passed all the test cases. So you don't need to calculate for of a factorial of the number itself. You just need to calculate starting from 1 to that number and find all the numbers that how many times that can contain that given number here. I hope my explanation is enough. I don't know, honestly. So she didn't write anything to chat. Let's back the code then, for example. If you understand from here, let's back to my code, which is short mode, but for example, I declare it as a variable which is total, and starting from 1 to n iteration for every number, if that number divisible by k, which is the given another number, and I created another variable how many times that number as a product of p, and I create a temporary variable in here as an x, while how many times that can be divisible by p, and I divide it by p, that x, and increase the total number. I mean, I calculate this one for only numbers, not to calculate the factorial itself, but starting from 1 to that number, and just only the numbers of that 5, how many times contains for all the products by that number. And it passed all the test cases for that. I hope I can explain it properly. Okay, let's back to home. Create a new one. Start a private clash. Start a new one. I just copy the link and save it as a exclamation mark link to the chat, so you can type right now to get the current link. Um, Rolex, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. What is the link? You can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Range Lucas, welcome. First time to see you, I think. Rolex also joined. Sakat Zebra, welcome. I am Rango. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Range Lucas here. Okay, welcome. Okay, we are now 12 people, so let's launch the clash. Fastest. You are given the height of ant wheels in an east to west order. Every building has a window facing to west where the sun sets. Program out the height of in building that have sunset view to the east-west order. Building can view the sunset if the height of every building in the west building is strictly lower than its own height. First building is at index 0. From east to west order. Okay. Building has windows facing to west. Okay. Sunset view. Wait a second, I didn't get it. A single line containing the... Oh. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. No. First line is the intention of buildings. There's a 9 buildings here. I'm not sure I understand this one completely. Okay, this is the highest one, of course, and um, oh, what is the numbers here? Which is indices? Oh, I get it. I mean, one, two. Oh, it's in this now. I got confused in East West, yeah. um, Play this one. Oops. Am I wrong? Oh, there's an... Oops. That is nice. So I can submit it. At first, I think maybe I overthinking again. I thought it was some hard problem to solve, but I just need maybe, yeah, I just need to check the current one is higher than the next one. It is fun. Difficulty is perfect. Test statement and test case 11C is ideal. Maybe the tricky part will be the last one is be always be as a result, since there is no apartments in here. He can completely see the sunset. Translation, which one is yours? You can check it. Can you show number 4? Sure. Which is June, sold by JavaScript. Okay, there's almost 3 minutes left. Swimming disaster also sold. News, Zorxy, June, Sahirox, and Range Lucas also sold in Python. That's nice. Loisy, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, we are now only 1 minute left. Yeah, the clash is almost completed. And Rolex also solved as a 100%. That's nice. Maybe the explanation itself a little bit scared people, and since it's quite long and maybe boring, and you just need to calculate, for example, in the all the apartment height, just need to add if the current apartment is higher than the next one. So I'll add as a its value and its index here. And the last one will be, since there is no any apartment after it, he will complete this. It will completely see the sunset. And for every last element, I will add my result list also, and I print as a one string, which is space separated for all the items here. That's all. That's all the things probably you should do in here. Okay, that's nice. Let's back to home then. Back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. Just copy the link and updated my command. You can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Okay, we are now 13 people, and let's launch the clash. Short, smooth. And clones of Fokz are standing in a circular order, numbered from N to 1 to N. Number 1 has a sword. He kills the next person and gives the sword to the next. Number 3. All people do the same until only one survives. You are expected to output the number of the last survivor. There should be real Fokz, then he was last survivor. What are the test cases? I have an idea for it. So, oh, there's a long here, so Hazard doesn't have any long. Okay, we create a long one, and let's try is and so I did all of them, and so file. But how can I? There's a I have to create some circular creation. Create some circular string. Maybe first I need to delete the even numbers. Then I need to delete the which are no, that's not the case. Which are divisible by 3 and then divisible by 4. But that doesn't make the circular. Yeah, that how can I solve this circular one? Home Rage, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. I mean, how can I make this circular? Arjan Sielan, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. I mean, the I really don't know honestly. How can I make it here? Maybe I don't need circular, just I need to I need to scan all the elements, and while there's only one element in the array, for example. Balaji Kandavel, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Yeah, I sold in 39 characters in Ruby. But I can't even figure it out. How can I solve this one? There's a solving way. Disclaimer, I was familiar with the problem. But I never saw this one before, honestly. But I couldn't even figure it out. Maybe there is some way to think at least. Yeah, I mean, I have no idea honestly. I can submit it. Okay, installed in Ruby. Okay, I passed this one because I don't even understand. Zorx is sold in Ruby also. Let's check him. What? Wow. Maybe I should check the code that I can understand. Is there a formula or something like that? n-2 power of integer matlog n is based by 2, and this multiple by 2 plus 1. For example, for 5, 3 power of 2 Jason Eric Davis, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. There's a binary relation between input and output. Wait a second, how is this works with n minus n when n is 5? So this returns as a 2, and n minus 2, 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 power of don't get my answer, Jason. Since you can't share your code, we can look at it. This yeah, I know. 2 star is means power. I know that. I'll phrase that if answer is as x and the binary of x is 1000, after being rotated it becomes 0001, and the conversion to decimal will be the answer. MDI say hello, welcome. Google eliminate alternate elements from array. See the EFK page. I didn't get the. Okay, let's look at this one. I mean array. Yeah, since I mean probably from since I started streaming English in 2 weeks before probably, but I still stream in Turkish also. But for my coding game streams, and it will be English. By the way, guys, if you don't know, Emre, he is one of the best Turkish streamers about cyber security or any security issues, and check his Twitch channel as well. He creates some great content in his Twitch streams. This is Joseph's problem. Okay, I don't. This one should look at. I never heard that one before. Joseph's problem. So given a circular array of size of n containing integers from 1 to n, find the last element that will remain in the list after erasing every second element starting from in the first element. Okay, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting from the first element 1, it will erase the second one and erase the 4 and erase the 1. No. Wait a second. Delete every second element like this. Then delete 1 and I'm a little bit confused, honestly. So maybe we should check Joseph's problem. I never heard that one before. Oh my god, my internet connection is really sucks tonight. So this is the one. Is this the one? So elements. Okay, I I have to understand it clearly, honestly. Let's check in one more time. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting from the first element, which is 1, delete every second element like this. Okay, then I delete the 2 and delete the 4 and left 1, 3, 5. Every second element. For demonstration purpose, erase element will be treated as 0. This at the end of this last element remains is 3. This is circular, so you leave 5 and delete 1. Okay. Oh. Then I have to... Huh. So when I start over, I only delete the second one. I thought first of all when I delete the one, I need to delete 3 after it, since it is the second one. But that's not the case. When I delete the one, only the 3 and 5 will be left, and I should delete the 5. Aha. Okay, that sounds reasonable. Joseph's problem. Okay, that's not. I'm a little bit confused about the explanation here. So let's check geeks or gits. So okay. How many approach there are? Time complexity, most another approach. Blah blah blah. Okay. So let's check the first of all. The naive approach is to remove every second element from the array until the size of array becomes equals to 1. Okay, since in C#, for example, since they are immutable, we can not delete in an array. We just need to set to 0, for example. Is this the wrong example? Really? Input of 10 is 3 as an output. No, it is 5. It says 5 here, not 3. Oh, normally it's 3? Okay, we need... Okay, let's call this one in that, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we just need to delete second ones. I delete this one, I delete this one, I delete this one, I delete this one, I delete this one, and since I started over again, I delete this one, I delete this one, and I delete this one, and I delete this one. Yeah, only left is 5, so the output seems right, I think. Oops, sorry about that. Reginald, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Wait a second, 10 is binary 10 10, and it's backwards 1 5 1. It's 5. Was that your solution? I am really, yeah, I am really confused too. I mean, okay, let's not to make it not complicated at least. Okay, I can you do it with finger? Which I can do it with but I have to use both my hands for 10 at least. Okay, 4 5 I can do it. Okay, let's try it with 4 5 for example, which is in your perspective. This is the 1 2 3 4 5. So let's kill the 2 first, and let's kill the 4 first, and let's kill the after the reverses. But this is a very weird looking, by the way, and I will kill this one, and after if I kill the 5, I will only get the middle finger. But I don't want to show you. How did you get the camera froze? Really? Camera seems okay right now. How did you get the next ones next to each other? All okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it seems fine right now. Okay, I need to really understand this one. The efficient. But 410. Okay, Pins, you say that my calculation in here when I write in whiteboard is not correct, because when I always with this calculation I find 5 as a result. Oh, okay. With this calculation, for example, if that means yeah, I only get 5 here. Shifting the most significant set bit to n, the least significant bit will return the safe position. No, don't worry. So, okay, and let's pass to x4geeks again. Now the efficient approach is to use recursion. Let's consider n to be even. In one traversal, number 2, 4, 6 n will be removed when we start again 1. Thus exactly n divided by 2 numbers are removed. Okay, and we just start as if from 1 in an array n divided by 2 containing only odd digits 1, 3, 5, and divided by 2. Thus by initiation their recursive formula can be written as if n is even, solve n solve n divided by 2 minus 1 else 2 times n 2 times solve n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Base condition will occur when n is 1, then the answer will be 1. Utility function to return the last number after removing element. If n is 1, return 1, and module 2 return 2 times minus 1. This one is recursive better than O1. I think they mean it's more efficient than the brute force approach. Yeah. Okay, I'm not sure I can understand but this even and odd length. That's okay. Let's check back to here. Another approach by observing the pattern in which numbers repeat. I observed that the outputs were all the odd numbers incremented by 2 every time, then n value increased by 1 and the value got reset to 1 at powers of 2. For example, the outputs were 1 1 3 1 3 5 3 3 5 7 1 3 5 7 9 11 5 1 respectively for the values of n ranging from 1 to 16. Okay, hence this approach uses the closest value of power of 2 less than or equal to given input. Power of our highest power of 2 matlog n divided by matlog 2 int return that one. And they should write a better approach, not efficient approach. Maybe somebody will code that. Okay. I think this is the better understandable approach. I think this is the first one. Remove every second element from the array until the size of array becomes equals to 1. Okay, this is the what we want. If n is even, let's consider n to be even. It's one traversal. Numbers for number 2, 4, 6 will be removed. We start again from 1. Okay. Those those exactly n numbers removed, and we start as if it's from 1 in array and containing only odd digits. Thus by initiation the recursive formula can be written as, oh, okay, now I understand. Aha. Okay, that's a very nice way to solve this. You see this only at the room. Yeah, okay, now I understand. Which will be depends on the length of the array. Okay, that's nice. I mean, it's somehow hard to understand for me at least, but I can say I clearly understand it. That is nice, by the way. Yeah, that's so nice. For example, how was Pins have solved this one? as a, for example, as a formula here. What was the formula? 2 times n minus 2, which is matlog n to int plus 1. But for 5, n is 5. This shouldn't be returned somehow not 3. For example, this one's matlog 2n returns as a 2 integer. This one returns 2. N minus 2 is 3, which is n is 5. And 3 power of 2, which is 9. 9 times 2, which is 18, plus 1 is 19. Is my calculation wrong for that case, for example? Okay, there's a parenthesis here. Of course, it's inside of it calculated first, right? So this is 3, n minus 2 is 3. Let me write in chat what I understand. Oh, no, oh, okay, I understand. Right, you are very right, Sahil. You're right. I totally misunderstand it. So 2 power of 2, which is 4, and 5 minus 4, which is 1, and 2 times 1 is 2, and plus 3. Matlog n to int finds the closest power of 2. Yeah. Oh, okay, this is the second approach we checked in here, I think. Right? This is the second approach here. Power. Yeah. This one. Aha. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, that's a very nice solution. But Pin's formula was the reverse to as a binary string, right? And that was my for example is 10. Isn't this plus x0? Decimal to binary, rotate binary to decimal. Oh, okay. This one is more rememberable, I think. That's nice. I didn't know that, honestly. Maybe I should check this one more time in here to get to clearly understand how this algorithm works. Yeah. Nice. I still can't understand why that works. Module B gets the binary of begins index to the front plus 0, index at 0, and to it translates back to the decimal. Rango, I think you should check this. I will write in it also in chat. You can check this one to clearly understand it, at least for the second approach. And I will check it later also. Egehan, yok hayır, Türkçe'de yayın yapıyorum ama genellikle İngilizce yayın yapıyorum artık. Yeah, I don't understand how pins solution works either. But if there's a formula, I mean, what can I say? So it is almost 3 hours right now, and let's call the night for now. And pins, Zorxy, Range Lucas, Sahirox, Sagisan, Menoli, Sneus, Baskov and Rolex, Swimming Disaster, June, Michael, Jaws of Life, Jace, Rick Davis, Penka, and Viatsel. And thank you so much for joining me tonight. And MDI Sec, if you are here, I mean, thank you so much. You also. And let me write my social accounts here. You can check my Twitter and YouTube channels as well. And I was familiar with the problem and knew with what relationship input and output. You will need to kill each person and write down the binary representation to see how it forms up. Yeah. Okay, you can, as I said, there is a Twitter and our YouTube channel as well. You can, I will try to generate some programming videos in YouTube specifically for lead code problems. I will solve them and upload to my YouTube channel as well. And you can check it if you want. And let me type our Discord channel as well. And not a lot of people talks in our Discord channel, but if you wanna reach in there, also you can easily reach. You can write whatever you want. English, Turkish, both languages are supported. And as the last say, if you wanna support my stream, you can always subscribe my channel as well. I mean, it means a lot to me. And thank you so much for all. Thank you for joining me tonight as well. And have a great night or have a great day wherever you are in the world. And thank you and see you later.